Hey guys, welcome back to Patchy Breaker, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, so this is the how to solve a Rubik's Cube part 1 video. Okay, so this is basically only about the introduction of this Rubik's Cube. So you need to know some few basic things about this, so I'm going to be telling you about that. Okay, this is not going to be a tutorial. The tutorial is going to be in the part, is going to start in the part 2. Part 1 you need to see it because you need to know some few basics about this Rubik's Cube to solve it. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. First thing you need to know is that there are some few movements. Okay, before you know the movements, you are supposed to know what are these pieces, because if I'm going to say edge, corner, centers, these are the three pieces that you need to know. Okay, the first piece which you need to know is that this is the centerpiece. Okay, a centerpiece can never be replaced with the edges or corners. Okay, so every time you have to remember the color orientation. Okay, so opposite of yellow is always white, opposite of orange is always red, opposite of blue is always green. Okay, no matter how much you scramble this, whatever you do, these colors are always going to be in that same order, where which is going to be opposite no matter what. Okay, so these are the centers. More like the single colored piece of this puzzle is a center. Okay, so now next we'll go to the two colored piece, that is the edge. Okay, this is in the edge side and it connects two centers. Okay, so you need to know that. Okay, so these two are connected by the edge, which is two colored. So the two colored piece is called as an edge. Single colored is center, two colored is edge. Remember it like that. Next we have the three colored piece, that is called as the corner piece, which is in the corner. Okay, so it has three colors. Okay, so it has a green centers, red centers, yellow centers. Okay, so that means it's a three colored piece. So three colored piece is corner, so that means single color piece is center, two colored is edge, three colored is corner. Keep in mind that one. Okay, so next one what we're going to learn is the movement. The movement what we're going to be learning is right, left, up and front. These four movements have two. Okay, so you have R, R prime, L, L prime, U, U prime, F, F prime. So these are the basic movements that you need to know in this puzzle, because this Rubik's Cube is like the basic of all these type of other puzzles. Okay, so you need to know these basics. It is very, very crucial. Okay. The movements are that this is R. Okay, so if you push it up, it is R. You bring it up, R, 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 R. Okay, the reverse of it is R prime, R prime, R prime, R prime. Okay, so if I say R2, it's more like 1, 2. Okay, again, then R prime 2, that means 1 down, 2 down. Okay, so that's the right side movement. Now what do we do for the left side movement? Okay, this is L prime. Okay, when you push it up, L prime, L prime, L prime. Okay, this is L. Okay, when you bring it down, L, 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 L. Okay, that's the basic movement of left and right. Now what do we do for the up? Okay, so this is U, 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 U. Okay, if you do it from the other side, U prime, U prime, U prime, U prime. So what do we say? What do we do if we say U2? Okay, it's nothing but U2. Okay, when we say U prime 2, U prime, so it's nothing but U prime, U prime. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2, so that means 2 times you're going to be doing it. Okay, next is the front. Okay, the front is nothing but this. Okay, back and down also there will be some algorithms, but now for this basic beginner tutorials you don't need to know that. Okay, all you need is up, right, left and front. Okay, so it is F. Okay, F, 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 then F prime, F prime, F prime, F prime. Okay, these are the basic movements. Please remember it, practice it a little bit, and then just understand and keep what I did when I was starting to learn is just take a book and just draw a square and then just show the movements, which side it goes, and then upon that I write which is R prime. So keep that in mind and just start practicing which is R prime. Okay, because when you start learning when I start telling you the algorithm, you should be able to do the movements. Okay, so yeah. So now our movements are done. Now we will learn the algorithm. This is a basic algorithm that you need to know while solving this cube. Okay, because there are 3 algorithms which actually consist this one algorithm. So it's like a basic algorithm. Okay, it's nothing but R, okay, U, R prime, U prime. I'm gonna show R, U, R prime, U prime. Okay, you need to know this. Okay, so you should practice it you should get it so easily that you should be able to do it while you should not think so much. Okay, so after practicing you should be like this. Okay, supposed to go so fast. Okay, so you're supposed to practice this algorithm. Okay, it is R, U, R prime, U prime, and I'm going to be calling this algorithm as first algorithm. Okay, so there are 5 algorithms that you're going to be learning in this. So you'll be learning 5 algorithms by the end of all the videos that you see. So okay, so yeah, so we have 5 algorithms. So this is the first algorithm. So in the description box I will write this as first algorithm. Okay, I will write down all the algorithms in the description box, but you won't be using them over here. I'm only telling you how we're going to be solving. This is just a basic introduction of this puzzle. Okay, now I will show you, like, I'm just going to give you a basic idea on how we're going to be solving this cube, because I'm going to show each step. So first what we do is we will first solve the first layer, then the second layer, and then the third layer. Okay, so I will show you how we're going to solve this. This is not a tutorial, this is just the introduction. I just want you to know some few facts before you learn how to solve this puzzle, because this is like the basic of all these type of puzzles. Most of them, of course, not all of them, most of them. Okay, so yeah, first it will be scrambled. Okay, so now what is the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a white cross. This is the white cross. Okay, so first we create this white cross. Okay, the next is corner orientation. Okay, where after you do the cross and the corner orientation, you have solved your first layer. Okay, moving on to the second layer. Second layer is solved after you insert your edges. Okay, so your second layer is done. Next is that we create a cross, but your edges won't be oriented. Okay, so first we create the cross. After we create the cross, we orient our edges properly. Then we orient our corner pieces to its right spot, and then later we correct them so that all the yellow pieces are going to be facing up. So this is how you actually solve. So was not a tutorial. Okay, this was just I wanted to give you a fair idea on what you're going to be doing to solve this. Okay, so that's all. So to know how to solve this, please go to my second video, which will be in the links down in the description box. Okay, so this was completely, I hope you understood what are the pieces, like the center, edges and corner pieces, and then the movements are R prime, L prime, U prime, F prime, which you need to know. The algorithm, the basic algorithm that you need to know is R prime, U prime. And then later I have shown you all the how we're going to do. First we're going to create the cross, then the corner orientation. Your first layer will be solved, then the edge orientation, your second layer will be done, then the cross, and then the last the edge orientation, the corner orientation, and then the correction of the corners, and then your whole thing will be solved. That is the third layer. This was just a fair idea so that you could get to know what you're going to be doing this. Okay, so yeah, I will show you how to create the cross, corner orientation, everything in the second video. So please, I will leave that in the links down below. I hope you could understand whatever I have told you now in this video. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and yeah, bye guys.